Hello, today I want to talk about high friction surfacing. So this is basically a surface level layer that you put over roads, and its basic purpose is for cars to be able to slow down more quickly and for there to be less accidents. So I've got the two videos here showing the two different methods of how you install high friction surfacing onto roads. So on the far side, you've got the cold applied method. This is where you have the resin at ambient temperatures that you spread out over the road, and then you throw the bauxite aggregate on top of this resin, and later you then sweep up all the excess aggregate with a road sweeper. So this bauxite aggregate is what you always have, whether it's hot applied or cold applied. You always have this bauxite aggregate which is getting towards diamond level hard, and that is what gives you the fast braking distances. So in the hot applied method above me, this is where you mix the bauxite and the resin together at 190 degrees and you pour it onto the road directly. Now, what are the key differences? Well, one of the key differences is that the curing time for the cold applied method is often much longer, although there is a resin called MMA that gets the curing time down to be similar to the hot applied method, but this is much more expensive. So the curing time is one thing to consider. Another variable to consider is the service life. The service life of the cold applied is an average of 12 years versus 8 years for the hot applied. So the cold applied system really is the premium system that you can use, but you have to weigh up the cost, the benefits, curing time, different types of resin. Well, anyway, I'll leave it there because there's too much to go into for a short video, but hopefully that gives you a quick brief overview and you learned a few things about high friction surfacing.